Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a baked potato dip for your office Christmas party. All right, as you can see here in the mixing bowl, I have one 8-ounce package of cream cheese that I've opened up. I added 8 ounces of sour cream. Okay, and then you want to add one 1-ounce package of ranch seasoning mix. Then add 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Like I said, if you're cooking for the holidays, this is a perfect recipe for the kids to get involved with because there isn't really any actual cooking. And then finally, you want 3 ounces of bacon. And because this had to sit in the fridge for a few days, I decided to go with the bag Hormel bacon bits. I know, blasphemy, but there are exceptions for every rule. If I was to serve it fresh that night, I would have fried up about 3 ounces of bacon and chopped it up myself. But like I said, if this has got to sit in the fridge for a couple days before your office party, just use the bag stuff. And plus, it's a dip. And then you just want to lock your mixer in and then just mix this on a low speed till everything is incorporated and mixed together. And then just transfer to a bowl that you can place the top on. And that's really it. Baked potato dip. Done.